Hey, I'm Franco Mora, Project Manager, Marbella Landscaping. Welcome to our website. If you're here, you're probably thinking about transforming your outdoor space, and you've come to the right place. We specialize in hardscaping, retaining wall, pavers, concrete, and custom landscaping. This can be irrigation, lighting, pergolas, decks, trampoline, and much more. We also offer full service maintenance to keep your yard looking amazing all year round. Although we are based in Orem, we proudly serve Salt Lake County and Utah County with passion and commitment. Take a look at our residential and commercial projects, request a free estimate, or even learn how we work step by step. Already a client? Don't miss our exclusive client resources guide, where you will find seasonal tips, irrigation guides, and helpful advice on how to keep your landscape in top shape. Thank you for trusting us, and we are ready to bring your dream yard to life.